My sister looks at him and goes, "Ah!" My mother freezes, and when I finally notice what was in that bag, I completely lose it. Hi,
देखिए
क्या हाल है? बढ़िया? जिनके बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया बात. जिनके बढ़िया नहीं है, और बढ़िया बात है, because now I have a job to do. तो हम आपको संभाल लेंगे. Some of you must be wondering, हम कौन हैं? I know we're all strangers, but maybe that's why stories exist, you know? What's a better way to know anybody better than a story, right? And this one will tell you way more about me than any small talk ever can. But you'll have to be with me on this, okay? I need your attention, क्योंकि कहीं भी आप गए तो फिर कहानी चली जाएगी. So, you with me? Yeah? Okay. So, picture this. I'm sitting in my living room with my mom and sister when we hear the door open. We look over and there he is. My father standing with a bag of vegetables in his hand. A completely normal sight, right? Fathers get vegetables all the time. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. But then, my sister looks at him and goes, "Ah!" My mother freezes, and when I finally notice what was in that bag, I completely lose it. I was 16 then, and in all my life until that moment, I had never seen my father like that. Okay, before I go on, tell me something. What's a color that you associate with love? The one that comes first to your mind? Red, red, red. And it's a very obvious choice. I mean, roses, hearts, Valentine's Day. And that makes sense if you've seen love around you the way you usually see it in the movies, books, and elsewhere, but not for me. For me, love is something that has always been confusing, and maybe that's why I don't really associate it with the simple, obvious red. Anyway, coming back, I know you might be curious about what was in that bag that my father was holding, but the more important question isn't what, it's why it mattered so much. And to answer that, allow me to introduce you to my wonderfully chaotic family. So I come from the Bajpai Jain household. I know थोड़ा अजीब है, सिर्फ वाजपेयी होते हैं, सिर्फ जैन होते हैं. वाजपेयी जैन क्या होता है? A lot of people tell me that's quite an unusual name, but then I tell them that I think it's very fitting for a family as unusual as mine. That man at the door, my father, that's Dr. Jain, a retired professor. So growing up, Papa was a very strict man. And we had a lot of rules. Basically, आपको याद है कभी कभी आप स्कूल जाते थे और एकदम से रेनी डे हॉलीडेज हो जाती थी, है ना? Then you had to come back. बढ़िया चीज होती थी ना? नहीं, not for me and my sister. ना. Other people would be happy that happened. My sister and I would dread those days because if there's anything worse than studying, it is having to study when you could be enjoying your life like normal kids. But we weren't normal anyway. My father, hear me out, would bring us back home and make us follow the timetable at home. Who even does that? Clearly, growing up in a family full of teachers, my mother is also a teacher by the way, is very different. जैसे आपके यहाँ वक्त बीतता है, हमारे यहाँ लगता है पीरियड्स ओवर हो रहे हैं. आप लोग बातें करते हो, हमारे यहाँ लगता है वो पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग चल रही है. You guys have breakfast, lunch, dinner. In my house, it feels like I'm always having tiffin for some reason. कुछ माहौल ऐसा होता है. And that's how it's been for me. Speaking of tiffin, the rules at the dining table were also very strict. ठीक है? My father would ensure that everybody eats with a fork and spoon, that not a single grain of food falls on the ground and nobody talks while eating. But at the same table where rules were served to us before a chapati, there was this one person eating happily with her hands, telling stories all the while and defying every single rule out there. Papa could school us all he wanted, but when it came to my mom, all he could say was थोड़ा ठीक से खाया करिए. To which my mom would reply with a thoughtful, serious, हमें मत सिखाओ. You know, the first time I saw that happen, I braced myself for a storm, but instead, Papa just nodded his head into a helpless, asked her to pass the salt and moved on. And that moment stayed with me. How could this rule-abiding, ever so particular man make an exception so easily for my mom? Either Mama had superpowers or she just didn't care. Whatever the reason, to my sister and I, she looked like this superwoman who could not only dare to stand against, but win over my father's wrath and roots. Speaking of her, Dr. Bajpayee, my mom, what a character. See, she is the exact opposite of my father. If my father is the rule, my mother is the one who breaks it. If my father is the system, she is the chaos that ruins it. If my father is a classic novel, my mother is a cliche Bollywood movie. मतलब आप समझिए अगर ये लोग शादी.com पर होते तो इनका मैच कभी नहीं बनता. Never. That is to tell you that I really think they were the OG enemies to lovers trope, except they never really stopped arguing. And when I think about it, more than lovers, they're just two people who constantly argue, somehow still together. I remember this one time, हम लोग पापा के एक दोस्त से मिल गए and these guys were meeting 10 or 12 years after my parents' marriage. And the guy said to me, his friend, बेटा आपके पापा मम्मी की वजह से हम तो वही एक शर्त हार गए. And I asked why? And then he said कि हम सब ने अपने में ना शर्त लगाई थी कि इनकी शादी अगर हो गई तो चलेगी नहीं. But now look at them, they're still together. Who would have thought? And all I could say to that poor man was, I'm sorry. It's not your fault. You know, अगर मैं होती आपकी जगह, even I would have bet against you because that's how they are. I get you. And I really did. And you know what? You would too, because if you met them, you just won't be able to add up how these two people are still together. They really made me believe that opposites attract is a lie. Because in real life, they mostly argue. Trust me, I've lived with two all my life. And when it comes to their legendary arguments, there's this one that specially stands out. It was about a very serious topic, that is कि ये दरवाजे के सामने कूलर किसने रखा है? You are laughing, but बहुत सख्त serious माहौल था. And so much so that my sister and I finally decided to intervene. So we walk into their room and we watch the two of them watching TV together, happily, after arguing. How does that work? How did any of it work? No, seriously. See, I've always been confused about love, and these two have only added fuel to the fire. Given all the bickering and arguing, they shouldn't have lasted. Papa's friend should have won that bet. Everybody would have been proven right, but maybe, just maybe, the two of them decided to stand by each other just to spite the world. Maybe that's what they have in common, devotion. And now that I think about it, अगर ये होते भी शादी.com पे, perhaps, eventually, they still would have found each other because despite their differences, at their core, they're very similar. They complement each other. And maybe the two of them believe that love is a decision, which is a crazy concept for a generation like mine that has options left, right, and center. Maybe love is two people happily watching TV together after having the biggest argument of their lives. Maybe love is two people sitting at the same table, one of them eating with her hands and the other eating with a fork and spoon. Maybe love is the... Did you hear that? Oh, that's the sound of the door opening. In all my rambling, I completely forgot to tell you the main story. Are you with me so far? Let's go back. We're in my living room now, gasping at Papa as he puts that bag of vegetables on the table. Here's the moment. He puts his hand inside and takes out brinjals. Anuvad, pengat. Okay, I get it, you don't get it. I know to you it's just a vegetable, but in the Bajpayee Jain household, this has been a topic for debate. My mom loves brinjals. My father, being Jain, refuses to eat them. So brinjals had never really made their way to my home until that day. My father took them out and said, "ये लीजिए, हमारी तरफ से. लेकिन देखिए भाई, हमारा खाना अलग बनेगा." And Mr. walked back into his room. Now look, I'm still quite confused about love and I don't know a lot about it for sure, but If you really ask me what color I associate love with, I'd probably say purple. Purple because it's strange, confused, a mix of red like my father and blue like my mom. Two people who shouldn't have lasted but somehow do. And oh, one thing is for sure. If you ever ask me what love looks like, I will confidently say, love looks like brinjals. Thank you.